Hello everybody, now what we are going to do is we are going to be making a compatible plugin which is compatible with multiple Bukkit versions which uses net Minecraft code. If you don't know what net Minecraft code is, I'll just give a quick example. So I'm just making the plugin at the minute. We have our config, so this is going to be called plugin. And let's hit finish. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to extend this to Java plugin, just as if it's any plugin, just like that. And we need to include Bukkit. So I'm including Craft Bukkit, by the way. I don't include Bukkit. Just a quick tip. So let's include the latest version that I have, which is this one, I think. Doesn't really matter because it's 1.5.1. And then we're going to import that. And then we're going to go public void unenable do stuff. Okay, so we're going to be thinking, hey, this is our magical plugin. Okay, so let's think. So we want to use some net Minecraft code, so I'll show you what that is. So if we do get server dot, I think it's get handle. No, you can't get handle on the server. Hold on for a second. Oh, whoops. So what we have to do is we'll go craft server, and this already uses net Minecraft code. Just doing craft server. Server equals new, not new, let's remove that, and this equals craft server get server. So this already uses the code. How do you know? Because as you can see, it has this sort of version 1_5 and I'll show you what happens when that goes wrong. So we'll just go server dot, I don't know, get, yeah, you can get handle on here. That would get the net Minecraft code, so let's do that. So what does it return? I think it's dedicated server or something. Dedicated playlist. Is that what it does? Yeah, looks like it does. So p dot, as you can see, this is the main Minecraft server. So if we're just going to use a simple command from here. What should we use? We'll use get has whitelist. We'll just system out it. I'm not going to use Bukkit out because I'm not going to be publishing this. But if you do want to use it, you'll want to get a copy of the logger. If you didn't know how to do that, it's good. Get dot, and then info blah, like that. But let's just delete that. Okay, so continuing the tutorial. So let's say I run a server doing this, and I think this will be fine. Actually, let's do that. So I'll just quickly export this. What's it called? Compatible plugin. And we'll just save. Okay, so once we've done that, if we run the Minecraft server, cd server, cd document, cd server, java. When we run this, we'll get a true somewhere. Oh, there we go. Oh wait, was that it? No. Should get a... yeah, there we are, false. That means it doesn't have a whitelist. Now, basically, if this is an older version, which if I just quickly root around for an older version, Bukkit. Ah, here we are. This is 1.5. Wait, that's 1. I think it's older. I'm not too sure. So if we go into here, paste that in, stop the server, delete some of that, then run this one, you'll see that this just exploded because it's not back compatible. I'm going to show you how to make it back compatible. Okay, to start off, we're going to have to create an interface to hold this. So we'll call this Net Minecraft server, or it could be, I don't know, anything you want really. And this is going to be an interface. Okay, so an interface is just something which defines other methods. So let's say we create public boolean get is whitelist. Of course, if you're doing this as an actual plugin with get whitelist, you could just call the Bukkit version. And that's how you do that. Simple as 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a package into this, and we're going to call it there. Call that for simple. Yeah, I know it messes up over here. So what we want to do is we want to create a new class in this version, and we're going to call this up here. So v_1_5_r2. You will have to update this every time Bukkit updates, but it's not hard to update. It's nothing complicated. And in here we need to put implements NMS. And that just tells it that we want to, and then we're going to have to add an implemented methods. Okay, so in here we would put our code for this version, which is this code here. And then it would return it. Oops. Oh, and this needs to be bucket.getServer. Okay, do you want to just just like that. So that's our function done. Now we're not done. Now what we need to do is remove all this code. So you want nothing which refers to Net Minecraft in here. You want it all sort of in here. Well, you want our sort of, we're going to use reflection to do this. So we're going to start off by getting the package that the server is in, because the server, when you get the class of this server, because Bukkit makes the get server an interface, but Bukkit makes it craft server. So yeah, Bukkit's the API, Bukkit's the internal workings. So when we do get server, it'll return this, and we need to just cut that bit out and then make a new one of them. And if there isn't a one of them, we'll say, hey, check for updates, or nag the author to update this. So let's do that. So we'll go string package name equals, then we'll do get server, then we go and get the class of the server, then we can easily just go get package, and then get name. That'll give us a really long name. So I'm just going to be a bit cheeky with this. There's a couple ways you could do this. I suppose the easiest is to just go string version equals package name. Actually, let's create an array, package split equals dot split. But then we're going to use, do we need to, just for the easiest sake of splitting up, god damn it, let's be a bit cheap. Right. As I remember in Java, you need to do backslash, because one backslash means it escapes once. Because it's regex, we need to escape that backslash. It's a bit complicated in Java. So then we can go package split, and then package split dot length. I'm sure there's probably easier ways to do this, but this is my way. So now what we've done is you've got the version. Now we need to do some fun stuff. Yay. And stuff. Okay, so let's get on with this. So we're going to need to do class. Right. And then this is going to be NMS class equals class, or full name. And this is going to create a class by a name. So what we need to do is, you should repeatedly go get class, blah blah blah, but we're just going to type it out. Compat.there dot plus version, and that'll put that into there. Now you'll see it'll go so now we're going to put out a please author to update me, thanks. And then we'll do this stuff. Okay, so now we have this class. Once we have this class, it means it is found. So we want to make sure this class is legitimate and can be does sort of interface this. So we'll go if nms dot class is assignable from, then nms. If it isn't, that, and this dot set enable. So that's the simple method of doing that. now what we want to do is we're actually going to define a variable up here of the net Minecraft interface, and we're going to call this net Minecraft server. What should we call it? Net Minecraft server access. It's random name, and you'll get that error because it isn't used. Now we're going to go this dot net Minecraft server equals net Minecraft, so we're casting this, and we're going to go nms plus, then we're going to go because we need to get the constructor. Get constructor, and then we're going to create a new instance of the class, just like. And you want to add a couple of clauses. Okay, so all you need to do is add a question. And what's our last error? Never used. Just to prove it works. If this is enabled, this means there's no errors. Then we can go this out, and then go net Minecraft access dot get is whitelist. And then if we publish this, did I publish that? Yeah. And reload. We are getting this error. Hey, please nag the author to update me. I am going to disable myself now. If I just stop the server and run it on the other version I have, we should. Oh, great. There's an error somewhere. Let me quickly figure that out. Okay, so the error is just a quick typo. So I'm going to show you how to rename classes so you can right click them. Then go refractor. Rename. You just need to change it to that. We'll just add a quick debug just in case. What's that? Okay, so this technically should work. So let's run this. There we are. False. Now I'll show you what it looks like on the other server. So this one. Now what happened there? I saw an explosion. Okay, we'll ignore that because it's a different plugin. Let's see. Hey, please snag the author. So what we do is when Bukkit updates, we'd run it, find that, and then we go right click, new class. Now there's probably an easier way to do this, but boop. Boop. And then, well, you just copy the same code basically. So what you need to do is you need to include the other jar as well, just so Eclipse doesn't complain. Of course, they probably didn't have both jars. So we'll go into document server. Okay, Now all it means you need to do is you just need to change all these to R1, and that's made it compatible with 2 versions, and I'll just prove that works. Let's reload, and it works. Thank you for watching. You can find the base code in the description. I'd like to thank MBax or MBaxter for the idea. He's quite a cool Bukkit staff team person. Thank you for watching.